Okay, we got a rainy day in Macau, and I'm just going to try to capture it a little bit on film. Stay tuned. And I'll tell you about this neighborhood as well. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, here we are in Macau. It's very rainy day. This is near, there's a park right here and there's a Guanyin statue straight ahead, so we're just gonna kind of walk in that direction a little bit. And it's the kind of rain that even if you had an umbrella, you're gonna get pretty wet. And we're just gonna take a little walk around a little bit. Show you some stuff that's near here. There's a florist right here. It's quite pretty. And then now we're gonna get into, I was gonna try to walk around the block, but you can see the water that's kind of coming in right there already. And there's a Guanyin statue right there. Let's try to see if we can zoom in on that. Okay, so we zoomed in a little bit and then you can see Guanyin a little bit better. Actually, that zoom in might help you also see how windy it is. So I think what we're gonna do is we're going to yeah, so actually the umbrellas are almost useless because it's so windy. So maybe we're just gonna walk around the block a little bit and see where we can go that's where we don't get wet. Because the way it's coming down, it's like, you know, it kind of comes at a slant. It's unbelievable that people are on scooters, right? Okay, let's keep on going. There you go. Yeah, we had a typhoon last weekend, so it wasn't a very big one, it was a small one, but ever since that typhoon came through, it's just been wet and rainy all the time. Right over there is called A1. That's a bar, karaoke bar that's very popular with the Chinese population. It's like our rain is going to slow down here in a minute. Let's just see what else is around here. So yeah, you got this A1 bar, and there's, I think that one's called Base, I think. And then something called a Hennessy Base Pub. It's a good Japanese restaurant there. And look at the way that the things are moving. It's not a typhoon, it's just a normal regular day. Bass Pub, so there's a little strip of bars right here. Bass Pub, Club Barucas, and A1. The sign went down. The other side went down. This thing went down. Everything's kind of going down there. That thing went down, so he's picking that up down there. Yeah, I don't know why it's so windy all of a sudden. Maybe I have to check to see. Is that a siren? I think I hear a siren now. Yeah, but for whatever reason it's just raining and windy now. And it sounds like I can hear a siren as well. What would that siren be about? Typhoon warning? Huh. Weird. What is that? Okay. So yeah, it's super windy now. But it feels like it's just about to stop suddenly. Anyways, we'll end it right there. Chiquinha, Chiquinha.